Guys, 2012 INFINITI G37 lowered, beyond lowered. This is all the way up, and look how much gap we still have above on the ceiling. Anyways, factory converters there. Then it was into a single right there, and he had the factory dual back out over there, as you guys can see it there. We'll show it to you guys in a second. And he didn't want it like that no more. He wanted straight pipe all the way back, single out the side. You guys can see, so we did it in 2 1/4 all the way back, and he brought his own black tip, angle cut, 3-inch, that we did out the side, as you guys can see right there. There's the system that was on it with the resonators and a rear muffler delete. We cut all that off right there and replaced it with that right there. So there it is. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Wow. It's so much louder. Your sound decibel? Again? Right at 118, man. That's loud. I'm gonna back it out. Back it out slow, okay? Let you guys hear on the inside. Give it gas. You like it? Enjoy, man. Thank you. Yeah, baby. Damn. I love it. Enjoy, guys. He smoked.